Hi, my name is Gabriel Buscarato. Since little, I liked numbers, and when learning about Ford, I became impressed on how the industry modified materials to add value. Later on, with Toyotas, they started reducing stock and applying more lean production line, and it kept improving until today. Uh, I interested on those subjects decided to do production engineering at Universidade de São Paulo. In one of those years, in one of those college years, I worked on a project at Valicap Pneus Lorena. The goal was to reduce the productive time, minimizing wastes. To start, we made a value stream mapping which allows us to have a detailed perspective of how the feedstock and information transited in the line, making it easier to identify improving opportunities. We measured some process times, used some company data to fill the mapping, and the result was a graphic of the lead time and working time per employee, which showed the existence of a gap between lead time and the work time, which represented time without work, an opportunity to reorganize the tasks. I choose it as an important object to me, the screwdriver, because it reminds me of a personal aspect. This tool works as a key that is used to open when unscrewing the devices allows access to new information. I do the same while working on a project, bringing new perspectives and expanding the possibilities. And with the same tool, it is possible to screw, closing the devices, and that may be necessary on a project. Sometimes there is a need to excluding some information, to follow the scope of the project, only analyzing the relevant information, which allows to quickly reach the result. I also got involved on a project at Johnson & Johnson at São José dos Campos. It was an improvement project. The goal was to find new dummy materials for the cobalt irradiator sterilizer, which followed certain specifications. We developed an action plan defining the tasks of the team. First, we understood the situation. Then we tried to reach information, especially benchmarking at IPEM, Instituto de Pesquisa de Energia Nuclear, that had a similar device, and to construct the possible alternative scenarios. The result was a graphic of time versus cost per scenario.